Ooh, we got something in the mail today, boys. Let's go check it out. AeroCatch. Okay. So let's switch over to the big camera here. Alright, so we've got our AeroCatch system here. It is the 125-4100, the Xtreme latch. It's, where does it say? Below panel locking Xtreme. So let's have a look here. Okay, we've got some instructions on the back of the insert here. Some little instructions. Yes, do this. No, don't do this. Some nice engineering drawing here with dimensions. Okay, we'll have a look at that later. So, okay. Got our two studs, strikers. AeroCatch keys and hardware. Let's see. Okay. We've also got some stickers here. Okay. Backing plates. Okay. So it looks like this is the entirety of our kit here. Two AeroCatches, corresponding backing plates, stainless steel strikers, rubber dampers, hardware for everything, nuts and washers for the strikers, nuts and bolts for the actual catches themselves, keys. Those are all matching, all four of them. These stickers are arrows. AeroCatch. I'm not much of a sticker person myself. Okay, so these are the below. Hood mounting AeroCatches. So only this teardrop portion in the middle here is going to be above the hood. On normal above the hood AeroCatch systems, this whole lip is above the hood, but ours just this kind of flat matte area is with the locking tab and the latch itself. So it looks like the instructions here say that you can actually use the nut plate as a template for your hood. So even though the kit doesn't come with a paper or cardboard template or anything like that, you can just use this as a template. So we're going to put that on our hood, mark this out, and that will be, the centerpiece will be the area that gets cut out, and that corresponds really well to the center area here. Almost like it was made to do that. But this piece actually goes on the bottom. So go like that, and our kit will essentially mount something like that in the hood. And when we're all done, we'll just be able to push this little section here. That causes this area to unlatch. You can see there's a little gap here. You then pull this section up, which actuates the pin that goes through the striker. So if we get everything all nice and lined up in here, you start closing the latch and it just goes right through the striker there. And then our hood is secured to whatever we're mounting this to. In the CRX's case, that's going to be the headlight mounting area in the engine bay. This section will actually be scooted up quite a bit so that we don't have a lot of this slop going on. Let's see here. So that when we actually get it all mounted in the car, this will push up something like that. So the hood will be very solidly mounted and we don't have a lot of slop and play. But until then, let's bring this back down. Press on that, unlatch our hood, and boom! There are also some cutouts on the side here. This bottom side and the other side, so that if for whatever reason you've got an interesting situation like this, you can have your hood or whatever close like that and then latch secured there. So again, I went with the below the hood mounting system, so only this area is hopefully flush mounted with the hood. It's not as prevalent. I like a little bit more subtle sleeper style, so I'll probably end up painting this whatever color the car ends up being, or actually right now this is black and the car's hood is a kind of flat black, so that might actually work out really well. But let's see, these are locking, so I'm not going to have a hood latch on my car for various reasons. Mounting a VW Scirocco radiator, that the hood latch would actually get in the way of that mounting, so I just took that whole section out, so we need these hood latches. But it is locking, so just be able to stick this in here, turn it 90 degrees, and boom, it's locked. So won't be able to, no one will be able to get in or out of the hood, nobody will be able to get into the engine bay, even if they can get into the car. So that's a nice little feature that I love about this kit. Boom, it's unlocked again. All right, so let's go put these on the car.